Over 1,000 future students from all over Austria and beyond visited WU's Open House Day. Visitors gained a first-hand look at the university, the campus and everything WU has to offer.
I'm interested in studying at the WU because I would like to study international business and economics.
I'm here at campus because I'm very interested in finances because of my parents. They inspired me to do like the business and economics and econometrics from a very young age, so I wanted to apply it to this program.
Students found out more about how to apply and what student life at WU is like.
Our prospective students receive a lot of information in our presentations, lectures and guided tours. We told them everything about our bachelor's programs, about the selection procedure and the relevant deadlines. We also discussed our student support programs such as mentoring, student counseling and the WU Top League.
Current WU students were on hand to give visitors a tour of campus and to offer a personal perspective on life at WU as a student.
I'm a tour guide and I go with the visitors around the campus. I showed them different parts of our campus like the library, I showed them the Audimax and some other parts like the department buildings and the open workspaces. So they get a small introduction how it works to be a student here on WU.
My first impression of the WU is like it's an amazing campus. The buildings are so modern, so futuristic, you know. It's very impressive. I really like it.
I did participate in a tour. The best informations I obtained were regarding the specializations in the programs and the language courses as well.
Professors and researchers gave visitors an opportunity to find out what WU courses are like and to experience the classroom atmosphere firsthand during special lectures.
I think it's important to present our courses to future students because it can be quite overwhelming when it comes to make a decision about studying, and therefore we should present our courses in detail to prospective students.
The presentations were really helpful for me because I watched the presentation of international economy of the countries.
WU's next Open Day will be held in December. We're looking forward to seeing you then.